The victim's family was in tears inside presiding Judge Alberto Lamorena's courtroom as murder defendant Janus Tabbada took responsibility for shooting and killing Edward Bamba.
So I do wish not to plead to the charge of murder as a first-degree felony, guilty or not guilty. Guilty, Your Honor.
Tabbada pausing briefly before admitting to the crime, prosecuting attorney Basil O'Malley telling the judge even without a plea deal, they had enough evidence to prove Tabbada pulled the trigger.
If this matter gone to trial, the government would have had the witnesses to testify that on or about November 12 of 2022, Mr. Tabbada approached Edward Bamba and shot him in the chest, resulting in his death.
Police say Tabbada and Bamba got into an argument in front of a home on Chalanescuela in Dededo last November. Investigators learning the argument was over a woman both had dated.
He's a very smart man. He's a family man. He's a good father.
Following the hearing, Philip Bamba remembers his brother Edward, who was a father of two. Philip also reacting to Tabbada's guilty plea.
I feel relieved that somehow we got the justice that we want, and hopefully the AG and the court will not be very generous with the plea agreement, and hopefully he'll serve the max sentence.
I know you didn't get a chance to testify today before your brother's killer, but what would you have said to him?
I would just wish him all the hell brought upon him. That's all. My family and I could never and will never forgive him.
Tabbada faces at least 15 years in prison, according to the plea agreement. The court today deferred handing down his sentence after prosecutors argued Tabbada could face deportation once he gets out. He noted Tabbada is a Philippine citizen. Attorneys for both sides will be back in court next month to find out what happens next. For now, Tabbada remains held at the Department of Corrections prison.